Every 2 minutes man will do the video. Now God go bless you. Now if you check where 2 minutes man they make and pass with the last was 1 hour.
Let be poor.
If you be 2 minutes man, check people who get money now. All these men, them, all this sugar daddy. If you want me, I even call their name now.
Okay, boy, you say like girls where they pour water, like you like big nyash.
Like, no be only small, no be water, small water, and a big water and big nyash. Once you woman, you bring that water for your this thing. Now God go bless you. Now God na create am. You understand? If you find out now, women will get big nyash. You understand? God they quick help them. They quick gain favor from God. Pass women will get small nyash.
This one where you're talking out of experience.
Nah, out of experience because my mama gets small nyash. That make God not to see him. Yeah, no be joke. You understand? Women will get nyash. Now, if you think I lie, now just the waka for street now, you go see women will get small nyash. Now you go see the waka by this time. You understand? Because they don't get work. Sure. Women will get big nyash now, then they for their various places now they work. You understand? Now, every time you go see women will get nyash because now that time they take rest. There's small nyash for when they sleep. You understand?
Okay.
Even as I talk to you like this now, I know that God now create big nyash. We never know who create small nyash. So supposed to do investigation on people they create small nyash. Because my God can never be a God of utter of confusion. You understand?
Okay, boss. Like, are you in relationship now? Are you in relationship?
In relationship.
You get girlfriend?
You don't. I don't know. You don't answer that question before I wait. I get girlfriend. Leave that question. Leave that question. Later. You don't ask me before, but leave that question. Leave that question later.
I'm not saying you're proud of your girlfriend though.
Any person waiting inside the data, now they date.
Okay.
Any person to say you, if you watch my video, if they watch this video, say you think inside they date you, now you are the date.
Okay, before you talk about 2 minutes. Like if sugar mommy give you 20 million now, you know if you run sugar mommy stuff.
No. The sugar mommy decrease.
But they say sugar money.
Now they talk as the sugar mommy day. So if you know if you manage my 2 minutes, man, I mean leave them. You understand? Only what you have to do now to consider the woman. You say, I feel like I'm for 2 minutes. If I come for 2 minutes, if you see them body, I go use hand and support them. Simple as that. You understand? Because I know if you just can't keep myself. And people will be say then you got all these 2 minutes men of a thing. Will say they know they proud of themselves. It is high time for you to start being proud of yourself as a 2 minutes man. You get some men will say then do like 2 minutes they don't come. They come to say now because of the sugar why I drink, now because of the coke why I organa lie now normal thing. You understand? You need to see yourself say a normal thing be that because any man will they come within 2 minutes now so he did. Now normal thing supposed to be proud. It is high time we stand up for 2 minutes men because normally nothing sweet past 2 minutes men. As they hold you continue, you gotta go the under 2 minutes, don't come down, you rest.
Okay,
you
so
won't kill yourself then. Every 2 minutes man will do the video now God go bless you now. If you check where 2 minutes men they make and pass with the last was 1 hour.
Let be poor.
If you be 2 minutes man, check people who get money now. All these men, them, all this sugar daddy. If you want me, I even call their name now. Call their name. They're my friend. You understand? They're my friend. You understand? All of us now 2 minutes men, but money day. Okay. If you see person that lasts for 2 hours, that person they very very close to poverty. Because once you last, you won't build house or toto. What is your problem? When your mates go the hustle, you did the fuck.
Okay, triple. Like if you dey knock person like this, you like me person they scream your name or may just day. May just day in day. May not scream at all. But they like me in the scream your name.
You can't scream with that.
May just scream triple.
In the case when you go screaming. Especially last for 2 minutes, man. You get time when they scream.
You cannot make
it last for 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you never started to scream. Now you never they enjoy them now. So if you want scream now, they waste your screaming. Under 2 minutes, I don't come down. Why you want scream? So relax, make I do what I want to do. If I want knock any woman now, I will tell her say open leg. You open leg. Throw your face. I know they usually do anything. I knock finish. I come down. You go 2 minutes. Now makes your guess now. But then I say when I come my house, they tell me say then go waste time and say you decrease. Now you get my body. They don't go waste time now. If you come like this, if you come my house now, if you from your place come under 30 minutes, you don't come. You don't reach my house. You understand? Before 31 minutes, you don't do your house. What are the 3 minutes you run the house back?
Okay.
Okay.
So like can you tell us worstest thing again I've done to you? Like worstest experience you have? Okay. Worstest experience.
Now woman will tell me say I no get money. My ex. Tell me say I no get money. He say you leave me because I no get money. I didn't tell me face to face say you no get money.
That is now where in the live?
No, in the live, no in Ugo side. Yeah. If in the world dividend go see him. Now my ex, it didn't pay me. As in tell me say I don't get money, no problem. That's that time I live for one room like that, you understand? I seen tell me that thing leave me under 1 week. And I saw Facebook they pay me.
I swear. Okay, what your ex? Romantic word, don't no be hard word. Just a what your ex?
My send the message to my ex now.
Yes.
You know get romantic message I forgive that idiot.
Oh, okay, just give her. Give her. Give her anything. You know they crazy. Why you go break your heart? Give her.
Only word I want to tell my ex we say make you remember say our friend sweet person.
Eh?
Our best friend sweet person.
You go see am.
No problem now. Our best friend sweet person. If you know what I talk about, make you ask our boyfriend. I get proofs. Make you
Aba.
call my DM, we'll talk about them. As under 3 days we break up and like our friend.
Wahala.
That's what God they do.
Okay. Okay, Triple. Thank you for your time. Like, can we play a game?
Yeah, sure.
We can play a game. Can you tell me if you win the game, you have a chance of winning 2K? Yes, that's why they call me Double Grace Agent 2K. But
No problem. I'll
okay,
do it.
in your likes in your Facebook, how many likes do you have in your recent post?
How many likes
Yes, you have in
do
your
I
recent,
have
in your recent post.
in my
You have
recent
5 seconds to answer the question. 1,
EJ?
2,
162.
3,
162.
4,
162.
5. You have 168. Thanks for having you, Triple.
Wait, make I see am. Make I
check
check.
it. Check it.
Make I check.
Okay.
Make I check. EJ, I don't die. For 2K, don't go like that. Oh well.
What do you have to say to my fans? What do you have to say to my fans, Triple? What do you have to say?
Now where they watch, no, anywhere where they watch, any country where they watch, you understand? A double grace with this. Anywhere they watch at all, you understand? If they meet this video for the first time.
You tell them say you suffer me.
Okay, I know, I suffer you, I suffer you. Wait, my talk finish. Anywhere they watch from, you understand? Remember, say, may you share this video, comment, and like. If they watch this video and if they follow, if they watch this video and you see this video for the first time, follow this page. You understand? On our way they follow me before now, God bless you now. You understand?
Thank you, boss. Thanks for having you, boss.
Naman you
Thanks
be.
for
I bet
having
if you find me around 100 Naman you transfer.
It is finished.